So, welcome to today's talk. We're going to be talking today about kind of a rare condition, branch retinal vein occlusion. So, we are going to be talking about first what it is and how homeopathy has a role in this kind of disease. First, we have to understand what it is. It's a kind of a vascular disorder, especially in a little old age, but even nowadays in clinical practice, you'll see in middle-aged, especially ladies also, and men also, because especially nowadays it's more common. And generally, it can happen in any part of the disc you can see here. Um, but after diabetic retinopathy, this is one of the top retinal disorder which we are seeing, and generally there is macular edema, hemorrhage, or some kind of perifoveal capillaries formation will be seen. Um, Overweight, obesity, high cholesterol, cardiovascular disorder, hypertension, these can be common. But even in younger age group nowadays in clinical practice, you will see BRVO very commonly. And you can see the difference how you will see the retina and the hemorrhages here. Somewhere down the line there is a kind of a thrombosis, and it may be due to stasis, it may be due to vessel wall injury or hypercoagulability. What are the things that I've seen commonly associated feature would be macular edema, macular subretinal fluid, vitreous hemorrhage, spots, microaneurysm. This will be very commonly seen. And normally, one of the symptoms that you will often see is blurring of vision. It's usually sudden and generally one eye is affected. You will see floaters also at times. This is how you will probably see in BRVO. In early stage, you will see something like that. And diagnosis OCT is very commonly done. Angiography can be done. Retinal neovascularization can be done. Now, in BRVO, in allopathy, there are certain injections are generally given, or they even suggest some form of other therapeutics. But in homeopathy, we understand this where at a deeper state something is affected. Very often, in lot of stressful situations, this kind of BRVO can be formed, and homeopathic remedies have the power to dissolve this kind of BRVO, and successfully we have done clinically through years. And one of the cases I remember BRVO remarkably with homeopathy it has improved. So there are many homeopathic remedies that we are nowadays using which are very good action on retina and especially for BRVO. This is my contact details. You can write to me in case of thought process.